Another service error. Serving the ball. Received by the line, set by the setter. Within the plaza. What a pass play. Amaro on the serve. Cuarto serving the ball. Within the plaza. On the back, good saved by the captain, Bilal. What a bangay. Oh, double contact by Rojas. Magkanta. Baucha. Maiso. Saved by Amaro. Start by the inside score 9. Okay, 5. Good receive by Amaro. Good set. Drop ball by Maiso. There's a check according to our line judge. Check ball by Gagate. Routine, drop ball. Bilal. Score 11. Back attack, Magkanta. Oh. And that's it. Cuatro. Cross-court hit by jersey number 7. Cuarto na naman. The setter serving the ball. The service ace by the setter, Flores. Score tabla 15. Tablang set, Plaza attack, cross-court. Nakuha ni Garcia. Magkanta, double attack. Final, by Checo. Another service.
By the center is back for the corner. For jersey number 7 here. Dalawa lang. Tatlo ang hinahabol ng Lavender Green. Starting set number 1. Serving the ball. Received by Gagate, set by Butin. Pinalo ni Plaza. And it's a yes for the captain, Juan Plaza. Humahabol at Durok 5. Plaza serving the ball. Received by the air. Pinalo ni Gagate. It's an ace. 20. Received by Guillermo, set by Rodel. Binalik, kinuha ni Cabiad, set by Teben. Pinalo ni Plaza, and it's a yes for jersey number 1. Pinalo ni Guillermo, and it's a yes for jersey number 1. Received by the Libero, set by Teben. Pinalo ni Plaza, it's blocked, the Yangat. Set by G-Boy. Pinalo ng captain, block. What a block, jersey number 10. Received by Guillermo, set by Jepoy, pinalo ni Guillermo, and it's inside the Bolero, set by Teben, pinalo ni Gagate, nayangat ni Rodel, but it's outside to number 17, Cabiad. It's an ace, received by Guillermo, kinuha ni Biray, binalik ni Rodel, pinas ni Butin, set by Teben, pinalo ni Plaza, by jersey number 7. The ball, binalik, kinuha ni Teben, binalik ni Joseph, kinuha, set by the center, but race for the ball. Kinuha ni Rodel, binalik ni Guillermo, kinuha ni Mama, by Tibet Pinalo ni Plaza, but it's under construction by DPWH. Jim, relax rin yung lang Jim, kaya nalipa na tayo, ang nanipa. Ngayong bukas na football. Receive by Julian, binalik Jeffrey Pino ni Mama, set by Tibet Pinalo ni Magante, and it's a yes for Jersey. Set by Jeffrey Pinalo ni Guilherme, but it's out. Si Guilherme, binalik na rin. Ariman, hindi na iangat masyadong serving the ball. Kinuha ni Rodel, set by Jeffrey Pinalo, and it's a yes for Rodel, serving the ball. Received by Bob, set by Jeffrey Pinalo ni Guilherme, and it's a yes for jersey number 7. Set by Tibet Pinalo ni Warren, may angat ni Viray. Kinuha ni Jeffrey Pinalo ni Guilherme, and it's a yes for jersey number 7. Received by Butin, binalik ni Tibenda, may angat ni Warren Plaza, binalik ni Kabyad, nakuha ni Rodel, kinuha ni Viray, binalik ni Magkanta. Kinuha, it's outside. Serving the ball again, Viray. Received by Plaza, set by Tibet Pinalo ni Gagate, and it's a yes for jersey, Kabyad. Received by Magkanta, set by Raymond Viray, binalik ni Guilherme, kinuha ni Mama, set by jersey number 10, Pinalo ni Warren, and it's a yes for Warren Plaza. Tinaas ni Plaza, Pinalo ni Kabyad, nayangat ni Rodel, set by Jeffrey, binalik sa likod, and it's a yes for jersey number 13, Jeffrey Plaza. Kinuha ni Mama, set by Kabyad, inunahan na isa ang pinapuntos ng Bay Strikers. Guilherme serving the ball again, received by Plaza, binalik, kinuha ng setter, tinaas ni Rodel, pinalo ni Bob, and it's a yes for Bob Magkanta. Gumana ang kanyang mata, Bob Magkanta. Serving the ball again, jersey number 7, Guilherme. Ni Mama, tinaas, it's double contact violation. It's a rotation error violation committed by Perexico. It's score 6-0 Perexice. Guilherme saving the ball. Kinuha. And because it's under Kinuha ng captain, set by the setter, is by Camesa, blocked by Warren. But it's outside according to official line check. Kinuha ni Butin, it's Flores serving the ball. Nagkaangat ni Kabyad, binalik ni Tibet, kinuha, binalik, may angat ni Maiso. Set by the setter, is by the striker, and it's a yes goal. Received by Gagate, tinaas ni Tibet, pinalo ni Plaza, and it's a for one Pinalo. It's a double contact violation. Received by Guilherme, set by Jeffrey Pinalo ni Mula, kinuha ni Kabyad, tinaas ni Tibet, pinalo ni Captain, and it's a yes for Zerk. Inangat ng team captain, pinalo ni Maiso, and it's a yes. Received by Gagate, set by Tibet, pinalo ni Warren, and it's a yes for Warren Plaza. By the third, drop goal by Magkanta. Give something to believe in, never lost a fight, but I'm looking for a beat in a food chain. I'm the one that eats it if you begin. This is number 2. 17-13. Conference lead by Correct 6 Naravideo. Ready on the turn? Plaza, jump down, nakuha ni Rojas.
Gate. Yes. Off the block. 18-7-14. Managuli.
No, pag mo-vlog siya, sunod ka. Kasi ni-vlog na.
See, 7-7 Plaza top. Another one to block. Hit down Plaza. 18-15. Service error. Ball was settled. Jersey number 17. 19-15. Maravilho. Settled, serving the ball. Plaza attack. Another error. 20-15. The settle, serving the ball. Plaza attack, shot. Good save by Captain Gural. Another serve. Baklatak balik hati. Maiso dengan serve. Magkata and the serve. Good save by Sentai. Just wrong. Magkata. Another save by Magkata. Pacheco serving the ball. Set by the ball. Rojas. Outside. Congratulations. Costa. Plaza. Outside. Plaza attack. For the block. Vito. Magpanda.
Better beat this shit like a drum. Don't be talking shit like you know me. I ride dick like a goalie, girl. That nigga look like a brokey. Don't fuck with his phony heels. Ass shit like a steady. Wanna be my little ponies. So stepped out in the comments, always talking like they know me. Thick bitches in the black truck packed in. These boys at my road Miss Pac-Man. Hermes made a real big purchase. But I don't do it like a true like a hustler.
Second Forest, Magkata ball. Just for the ball.
Good in kinuha ni Magkanta, set by Jeffoy, pinalo ni Nubate, ang atigagati, binalik ni Butin, and it's a yes for jersey number 10, received by Guillier, tinaas ni Magkanta. It's a double kind of play. Kinuha ni Guillier, set by Jeffoy, pinalo ni Bob, na ang atigagati, set by Butin, pinalik ni Cabiad, tinaas ni Guillier. Set by Flores, pinalo ni Bob, it's a yes for jersey number 7, Raymond Gural. But it's outside this time, the ball. Kinuha ni Mama, set by Butin, pinalo ni Plaza, may angat ni Biray, hinapon ni Bob, tinaas, pinalik, may angat, nakasave, set by Butin, pinalo ni Gagate, nakuha ni Bob, set by Flores, pinalo ni Guillier, and it's a nice jersey number 73, perfect size, Kevin Bob. It's under Plaza. Received by the captain Raymond Gural, set by Flores, pinalo ni Guillier, Plaza, Gagate, and it's a yes for jersey number 4. Holding tax. Holding tax ang title. Oo. Amoyo. Kinuha ni ba? Set by Flores Pinalo, and it's a yes for Guillier. Congrats! Magkanta set by Raymond Buray. Binalik ni Guillier. Kinuha ni Mama. Set by Magkanta set by Raymond Buray. Binalik ni Guillier. Kinuha ni Mama. Set by jersey. Received by Magkanta set by Raymond Buray. Binalik ni Guillier. Kinuha ni Mama. Set by jersey number 10. Pinana ni Warren. And it's a yes for Warren Plaza. Received by Magkanta set by Raymond Buray. Binalik ni Guillier. Kinuha ni Mama. Set by jersey number 10. Pinana ni Warren. And it's a yes for Warren Plaza. Received by Magkanta set by Raymond Buray. Binalik ni Guillier. Kinuha ni Mama. Set by jersey number 10. And it's a yes for Warren Plaza. Kinuha ni Mama. Set by Brutin Pinal ni Plaza.